Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the role of authentic materials in language learning. Authentic materials, defined as resources created for native speakers, play a vital role in language acquisition by providing learners with real-world contexts, enhancing motivation and the cultural and bridge the gap between theoretical learning and the practical usage. So what are the benefits of using authentic materials? Firstly, it will increase engagement and motivation. Utilizing authentic materials makes learning more related and enjoyable, leading to greatest student interest and participation. Secondly, it will expose you to real-life language use. Authentic materials provide learners with access to natural language contexts, enhancing their understanding of practical communications. Thirdly, it will help the development of critical thinking skills. Engaging with authentic context encourages learners to analyze and evaluate information, fostering deeper cognitive skills and independence. What are the types of authentic materials? It will be newspapers and magazines provide current events, diverse perspectives, and in-depth analysis on various topics, fostering critical thinking. Video and audio content engage learners with dynamic visual and auditory materials that enhance understanding and the retention of information. Websites and social media posts offer real-time insights and a range of viewpoints reflecting contemporary culture and trends in an easily accessible format. How can we integrate authentic materials in the classroom? Firstly, we are going to use strategies for selection and usages, then adapting materials for different proficiency levels, and using some examples of activities involving authentic materials. And what are the challenges we are going to face in using authentic materials? It's of course, firstly, accessibility and availability issues. Authentic materials may not always be easily accessible to all learners, creating disparities in resource usage and understanding. Cultural relevance and appropriateness. The cultural context of materials must resonate with learners to ensure engagement and prevent potential misunderstandings. Language complexity and understanding. Some authentic materials may feature advanced language structures or idioms that can pose comprehensive challenges for learners. I give some case studies for successful implementation. Example from language class. Showcase various teaching methods and the methodology integration that enhanced student engagement and learning outcomes. Student feedback and outcomes. Gather and analyze student testimonials and the performance data to assess effectiveness of the implemented strategies. Impact on language proficiency. Examine the measurable improvements in language skills as a result of innovative instructional practices and tools. We are going to use some comparison with textbooks learnings and authentic materials. Limitation of traditional textbooks. Textbooks often provide outdated information and lack practical applications, limiting student engagement and understanding. Advantages of authentic approaches. Authentic learning experience foster critical thinking and problems solving skills by connecting classroom knowledge to real-world scenarios, and bridges the gap between classroom and the real world. Integrating real-life examples and projects education helps students relate concepts daily lives and prepare them for future challenges. And the visual and the multimedia elements Importance of visual authentic learning. Incorporating visual can enhance comprehension and retention, making learning experience more engaging and impactful. We also recommended resource for visuals, effective use of multimedia in lessons. So today's homework will be engaging with authentic materials. Assignments, you will explore various sources of locate authentic materials that reflect real-world contexts relevant to their learning. Under reflection on learning experiences, you will evaluate how interacting with authentic materials has shaped their understanding and application of concepts. At last, you are going to do some presentation of findings. Participants will share their insights and analyze structural format to enhance collaborative learning among peers. Thanks for your attention. See you next lesson.